Ladies and gentlemen, now taking the field for your halftime entertainment, it's the Sound of Struthers. It's the Struthers High School Wildcat Marching Band. The band is under the direction of Mr. Joshua Hawkins, assisted by Mrs. Angela Russo, with color guard instructor Colleen Mayo, percussion instructor Jim Richley, and wind instructor Chris Hauser. The band is led on the field by drum majors Jared Medvec and Chrissy Craig. This year's show is entitled The Wonderful World of Disney. We step off this year's show to a member of the Disney world who is from a galaxy far, far away. As a member of the Star Wars galaxy, this bounty hunter travels the galaxy far from the reaches of the New Republic, following the way. Junior drum major Chrissy Craig leads the band to The Mandalorian. We now go back in time to one of Disney's original classics, The Jungle Book. Released and animated in 1967, then re-released as a live-action film in 2016, it tells the story of the man cub Mowgli and life in the jungle. One of the most memorable songs is our next tune. Senior Jared Medvec leads the band in a color guard featurette. Here is The Bare Necessities. To close our salute to the wonderful world of Disney, we return to the here and now with one of Disney's most recent releases, Frozen 2. The Sound of Struthers performs Elsa's power ballad as covered by the pop band Panic at the Disco. Senior Jared Medvik leads us into the unknown.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, that's okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Sound of Struthers, the Struthers High School Wildcat Marching Band. The Sound of Struthers and the Struthers Band Boosters would like to thank this year's sponsors. Please support these local businesses as they continue to support the Sound of Struthers. Jack's Auto Body, The Elmton, Becker Funeral Home, Belleria Struthers, Arby's, Holiday Bowl, Pizza Joe's, VFW 3538, Nemitz IGA, Senior Jalapenos, Magic Moments, Boardman Training Center, Struthers Ace Handyman, Daybreak Music, Gold Cross Limousine, Angels Rest Crematory, and Chick-fil-A.